This is the RAVPower SD card reader, wireless hard drive companion, wireless bridge. It's also a 3000 mAh power bank. This thing is absolutely amazing. One of my favorite products I probably own. One of my go-to products. It's never not with me. I don't use external hard drives much. I like to keep my stuff on SD cards and flash drives. It just makes it simpler for me. I'm probably the odd one. You can hook up an external hard drive to this, but for my review purposes, I'll be showing you everything from how to use it as a Wi-Fi extender. I mean, this thing just has so many options. This is the box you get with it. Everything's usually packed in nice. You get a USB cable. I don't even have it opened yet. You get a great owner's manual. Very detailed. People say it's not. I don't know. I have no trouble with it. This is the unit itself. You can see there is a USB flash drive in it, and there's also a 16 gig SD card in there. There's also a reset button right there in case you run into troubles. The first light right here is your power left on the unit. Your second light, the blue one, is a read-write for the disk that's inserted. The third one is your Wi-Fi signal. And the fourth one with the globe or the world means I'm connected to my internet through the RAVPower file hub. Now, this gets kind of tricky when you're talking about that part, because as you can see through my internet, I am connected through the file hub right here, but I'm also running through my home network, which is the Westel 9526. I'm actually running both of them. Right now, as you can see, I'm connected to the file hub, but I'm also able to, if I wanted to go to, say, Facebook, I'm also running through using the file hub's internet connection, or its hotspot, which is absolutely remarkable to me. You can see I'm now on Facebook. I'll X out of there. This is an app you get from RAVPower on their website. It's very simple to download. It's a zip file. Just unzip it. It will look like this when you have it. You'll just have the RAVPower file hub after it's unzipped, and then you'll run that. Double click. You'll get this screen first, which shows what your internet access point is, and you can log in right from there. It does have a easy admin for the user, and the password is 8 number ones, so it's 8 ones. I won't be going off of that right now. I will be going strictly to the app, which is this. There's a lot of options here. You can see that I do have 2 discs inserted. This first one is the SD card, the second one is the USB stick. I added these files to the SD card. You would just go here and right click, hit upload, browse, and say you want a picture. You'll double click that picture and hit OK. And as you can see, it already uploaded it. It gives you a message telling you you're done. And that picture is also added to the disk. Right here it is. It's JPEG. On the USB stick, there's just 2 files on there. This is both of them listed right here. If you want to go back to the beginning, I could show you some other options. This is what comes up on your first screen. I didn't change any of these 6. I let everything on its defaults. This is a step-by-step guide. Very simple to use, folks. It might seem intimidating at first. It's really not. You'll just hit next and go through the setup guide. Explore is to bring up what's actually plugged into the file hub itself. As you can see, there's both of my drives that are plugged in. You can go to information, which gives you a CPU reading, the model number, who makes it, serial number, and the host name. I wish they would have put a battery percentage on here also. I think it'd be great if RAV would implement that. I'd like to see how much is left on the unit itself. Yes, I do have a light, and it does turn red when you are low on battery, but I don't know. I just wanted to see a little more. Storage is saying what storage card's in there, which is a generic SD card and a Kingston flash drive. You can see what's left on that and what's left on this, actual size, total, and what's left. You can go to your network. It shows your IP address, blah, 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 blah. We all know how to use that. You can go to settings, which is the original page. There's even a help button. If you need it, I doubt you will, but if you do, Rev has put that on there for you. As far as purchasing this, I'm amazed that it's on sale for $39.99. I have owned mine for a while. I had a mix-up with my review, and I'm just getting back to doing this review again. For $39.99, you just can't go wrong. The thing is absolutely amazing. And you're probably not going to use it much on your computer, as I just showed you. But the best part is, I have a Nexus 6 right here. There's no storage other than what's on board. And as you can see, there's a simple app from the Play Store. It is, I just searched in the Play Store for RAVPower File Hub. And you're able to just download that real quick. Put that on. It is going to look like, let me see if I can X out of all these. It is going to look like that right there. There's two of them in there because I do have two of these devices. But that is what you're looking for. If I could get it to focus. You'll open that. And you're already going to see there's both disk drives. The storage SD card and the flash drive. You can view the files from here. You can manage the files from here. You can also hit on the bottom, there's my file hub and my device. If you hit my device, you can view what's on your device and transfer files from your device to the file hub itself, which is absolutely amazing. Back to file hub, and you can open up what's on the SD card, and there's the picture we uploaded on the computer. There's also another file in there, which is actually this app. I just zipped it up so I could keep it handy if I ever would switch phones. You can download from here to your device. You can have 5 different users accessing what's on the RAVPower file hub. I've had 4 going at once. I was able to watch, I like it for movies. I keep a lot of movies on my file hub. And you can stream them to multiple devices. So if you're in the car and the kids want to watch cartoons, they can have a movie with cartoons. You can have the grown-up movie. So that was a great feature from RAV, being able to stream multiple devices. The app is simple to use. Everything is simple to set up. And if you can see my Wi-Fi, I am on my home network, which is the Westel. And if I open it up, I'm also connected to the file hub, but I'm actually running through my home network and also the file hub. As a Wi-Fi extender, it was great to use for that. I took the file hub outside, as close to being outside, but right on the windowsill of the room where my Wi-Fi router is. And then I was able to go outside and add an additional, I think it was at least 33 feet I was away from extra signal boost. So it's also a signal booster, I guess you could say. I don't want to actually call it that, but basically that's what it's doing. So that was nice to be able to go further than I used to be able to go with my home Wi-Fi as far as outside. It does come in black, which was nice. I took the white one. I'm not sure why, but I did. And I don't know why everybody doesn't have one of these, especially for under $40. It's absolutely amazing. I hope the video explains all that it does in simplest terms, and if not, you can always post comments and I'll answer anything you got. It does work on iOS and Mac, so I did leave that out. I don't have iOS or Mac to show you how, but it's exactly the same features. It's exactly the same setup as Android and Windows. So no problems there for anybody with either one of Android or iOS or Mac or Windows. RAV has completely done their homework on this unit. Like I said, I love it that it has an SD card. I love it that it has flash drive. That is a power button. That other USB port is micro for charging the unit itself. It's also a 3000 mAh power bank, which is amazing because you get almost one full charge to your device. Me being a 3200 mAh user on my Nexus 6, so I get almost a full charge out of the unit. It's like I said, it's you can see how slim it is. Fits in your pocket perfect. It's the size of a external hard drive, except a lot thinner. Excuse me. So no problems with taking it with you. Portability is 100% there. You can leave comments on YouTube or Amazon, or you can visit me because this review will be on my website, which is techgeeks.com. That's TECK geeks.com. I answer usually the website faster than YouTube, but I do get to all of the questions you might have. The website is faster for replies. I hope everybody goes out and gets one of these, and big thanks to RAVPower for such a great product.